Welcome to our latest video, where we delve into the world of automotive cleanliness. Today, we're ranking the top 3 best car vacuum cleaners of 2024. These aren't just any vacuums, they're the epitome of innovation, efficiency, and convenience. We'll explore their unique features, compare their performance, and reveal why they're the best in the market. But here's the catch. One of these vacuums has a feature that's a game changer in car cleaning. Can you guess what it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 3. The Shark WV410BL WANDVAC Cordless Handcar Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just your average vacuum cleaner, it's a compact powerhouse that's going to revolutionize your cleaning routine. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the Shark WANDVAC is its powerful suction. It boasts the most suction of any cordless hand vacuum under 1.5 pounds. This isn't just a claim, it's been tested against standalone cordless hand vacuums and has proven its mettle. This means you can trust it to pick up even the most stubborn dirt and debris. Next, we all know that some messes are harder to clean than others. That's where the Shark WANDVAC's boost mode comes in. With just a press of the boost button, you get extra bursts of strong suction power. This is perfect for tackling large particles and heavy debris that other vacuums might struggle with. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to keep your home clean. The Shark WANDVAC is here to help. It comes with a pet tool that's designed to remove stubborn pet hair and stuck-on debris from delicate fabrics and furniture. This means you can keep your home looking and smelling fresh, no matter how many furry friends you have. One of the best things about the Shark WANDVAC is how easy it is to maintain. It features a detachable dust cup and easily removable filter housing. This means you can quickly and easily clean the vacuum itself, ensuring it's always ready to tackle the next mess. Lastly, despite its powerful features, the Shark WANDVAC is compact and ergonomically designed. This makes it easy to use even in tight spaces. Plus, its lightweight design means you can easily carry it around your home, making quick cleanups a breeze. In conclusion, the Shark WV410BL WANDVAC Cordless Handcar Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and convenient tool for all your cleaning needs. It's especially great for homes with pets, and for those tough messes that other vacuums struggle with. So, if you're looking for a vacuum that's easy to use, powerful, and designed with your needs in mind, the Shark WANDVAC could be just what you're looking for. Number 2. The Whall Handheld Vacuum Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. This device promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine with its advanced features and user-friendly design. So, let's get started. Firstly, what sets this handheld vacuum apart is its powerful 8,500 PA suction. It offers 2 modes, 6,500 PA and 8,500 PA, allowing you to customize the suction power according to your cleaning needs. Whether it's dust, paper scraps, particles, or pet hair, this vacuum is designed to tackle it all. Its cord-free design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for cleaning various spaces such as your home, office, or car. Moving on, the wet-dry handheld vacuum feature is a standout. The vacuum comes with a crevice nozzle, hairbrush, water absorption nozzle, and 2 filters. These accessories make it versatile and suitable for different cleaning tasks. The filters are made of non-woven fabric and can be cleaned with water, effectively protecting the motor from dust particles. This not only extends the life of the motor but also ensures consistent suction power. Another impressive feature is its cordless design and LED light. The cordless design gives you the freedom to move around and clean corners without being restricted by cables. It operates at low frequencies below 73 decibels, providing a quiet cleaning experience. The bright LED lights are a great addition, ensuring no corner remains uncleaned, even in dimly lit areas. The quick charge and battery feature is truly a game changer. The vacuum comes with a quick charge tech and outstanding performance. It has temperature protection, ensuring safety throughout the charging process. After a full charge of 4 to 5 hours, it can work constantly for 20 to 30 minutes. This means you can get your cleaning done without worrying about the battery running out. Lastly, Whall offers excellent after-sales service. If you encounter any problems, their team is ready to provide technical support at any time. This commitment to customer satisfaction makes Whall a reliable choice for your cleaning needs. In conclusion, the Whall Handheld Vacuum Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly device that could be a great addition to your cleaning routine. Its advanced features and thoughtful design make it stand out in the market. Number 1. The Eufy Clean HomeVac H20 Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just your average vacuum cleaner, it's a game-changer for car cleaning. So without further ado, let's dive into the details. Firstly, the H20 boasts a powerful 40 suction. This means you can clean messes in just one go, achieving efficient car cleaning and a spotless interior. It's like having a professional car wash right at your fingertips. Imagine being able to tackle those stubborn crumbs and dust particles with ease. Next, we all know that some messes are harder to clean than others. That's where the Shark WANDVAC's boost mode comes in. With just a press of the boost button, you get extra bursts of strong suction power. This is perfect for tackling large particles and heavy debris that other vacuums might struggle with. The customized attachments are another great feature. The car-specific tools, including a built-in retractable tool, extension hose, and brush head, help you clean every corner of your car. No more unreachable spots. It's like having a team of cleaners at your disposal, each specialized in tackling different areas of your car. Despite its powerful features, the H20 is ultra-lightweight. Weighing just 1.44 pounds, 654 grams, you can effortlessly clean up in tight car spaces without your hands tiring. Its convenience and efficiency combined, you won't even feel like you're holding a powerful cleaning device. Lastly, the storage bag. All accessories are organized together with the H20. You can store them in your car and easily find them when needed. It's the perfect car cleaning companion. No more rummaging around for your cleaning tools. Everything is neatly packed and ready to go. In conclusion, the Eufy Clean HomeVac H20 Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for car owners. It's powerful, convenient, and efficient. Remember, it can also be charged at home with a 12V3A charger for a quick charge, wall charger not included. That's it for today's review. These are just a few of the many great car vacuum cleaners on the market. Consider your needs and budget when making your decision. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Smart Shop Savvy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.